Here I have this round dining table that was sent to us as a gift by Hansweld store, and my wife and I love it. This table is going to be 31 inches and a half, and it's a perfect dining table for small dining areas. We love the color and how smooth this table is. You can also get it in different colors like black marble, white marble, oak, and walnut. This dining table is about 28 inches tall. Our favorite part is how easy this table was to put together. All you really have to do is just put the top, the middle, and the bottom pieces together, and you're pretty much done. This took me about 20 to 30 minutes to put together. That's because I took my time. Another thing we loved about this table is that it's lightweight. So if you need to move it from one spot to another, you can do it with only one person. So if you're looking for a small dining table for a small space, this is going to be it. It's sturdy, easy to put together. It gives a modern style look. It works great with apartments, kitchens, breakfast corners, or even as a little cafe style setup.